Sterling's gonna eat 5 maggots for $5. $1 a maggot. There's one. You got $1. Here's $1. You're rich.
Get back to the square little buggers.
See him moving there. Is that a maggot?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he got another maggot. Let's see you do it.
Oh, they ate through its eyes.
You gotta chew it.
Screw that.
You gotta chew it.
Oh, damn you.
How many is that? 2?
That's his third one.
Ah, see, he's got one more. Just pick a whole bunch and eat them.
A big one.
Is that a juicy one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. Let's see you do it.
Oh, that's gross. $3?
That's 3?
2 more.
Just grab 2 more. Grab 2.
Gross.
Look at its teeth.
Okay, gobble them up.
Okay. Take the rocks out.
Oh, you dropped your maggot.
That's a lot. Put that on Facebook.
Oh, come on, Sterl.
Damn maggot.
You make it
There's the moose head. There's his maggots. You only got 2 more?
Yeah.
To eat? You gotta chew these ones right up, too. I want to see them on your tongue.
You serious?
Yeah. Let's see them on your tongue. Put them on your tongue. He's moving. Trying to crawl out.
Give me the rest of that money.